is it?
Wilderness girls.
Go, man, go.
Okay, team, welcome back to the channel. We're here with Prince Dog and the Grey Hound. So VicOffroad sent out us some lights. They're 9-inch driving light. They're the I'll chuck the model up on the screen. So we're going to do a quick install and a bit of a first impressions look. I'll let Prince Dog open up his new lights and see what he thinks.
Let's do it.
Now, apologies, my dog was squealing and carrying on, ruining the recording here, so I'll just do a quick overlay. These are the Lightfox Osram LED spotlights. There's 31 LEDs per light and with built-in DRLs. They come with various surrounds that you can change your colour to customise your own lights. IP68 rated. They're just over 16,000 lumens for the pair, and they're 1 lux at 2.1 kilometres.
Wires galore, mate. Do you know what you're doing? Because I don't.
This car's already been on fire. What are you talking about? They've got a good, solid, strong aluminium housing and heatsink with really good, solid brackets for the lights themselves. Link in the description below. Pretty flash.
Very flash. Especially for the Grey Hound.
Bit of a difference from the old Lightfox.
These didn't even exist when we were at Lightfox.
No. So we did do a bit of a comparison. Well, actually, we filmed a bit of footage last night with the old Lightfox. Mucked around with the exposure and that, but. So that's them on, is it?
Yeah, that's them on, mate. Yeah,
Righto.
that's them off. So,
Yeah.
So that's just me high beams.
Yep.
And that's all it lights up.
So this won't be a big how-to install. It'll be we're going to try and use the existing wiring if we can, and yeah, it'll be a quick first impressions video what we think, and yeah, a bit of an upgrade over the old 15-year-old halogen candles at the front.
Definitely.
All right, let's crack into it.
Let's do it.
Maybe put a different relay in case the amp is different. If the amp is the same, like 40 amps, then it's the same amp, so we might not exactly do that. We might just have to, because they're not Deutsche plugs, are they? They're Deutsche plugs, isn't it? That's waterproof plugs. If you want to do the light, it starts on that.
Yeah. You have a grinder?
Not really.
Oh, it's fucking good.
The last time you're spinning, the one you want it to go in, you make sure that it hits the front lip of the holster, and then you just come.
Look at those cable corrugations, or it's half the job. These are top of line back in the day.
Yeah. Not with these knees.
Hadley cycles.
During COVID, bike shops didn't have this much bikes. They didn't have this many bikes in stock 2 years ago.
So all the amperage is the same for the relays, so we're just gonna splice the Deutsche plugs onto the old wiring, and hopefully that's all we're gonna do.
Genuine Apple work light.
I always call it a tactical light because the amount of times I clear buildings with off buttons.
It's going to be Cape York proof.
Mine's alright.
Got runs on the board, man.
Where's the 10 mil? The 10 mil.
Any after?
My 10 mil.
Look at this. Here's one I prepared earlier.
It's mine.
Just while Nico's fluffing around, I just thought I'd do it behind the scenes. This is the toolbox that he's operating out of. He's come all the way here and he's trying to steal my 10 mil. Reckons he doesn't have one.
I did have mine. Mine disappeared.
Oh,
Disappeared.
what a stitch up. Switch even works.
Beautiful. And that's it, installed. I'll see you later. I was wondering what that smell is, and I just realised I accidentally heat shrunk your conduit.
Plastic welded it together. Should you have disconnected that again, or it obviously didn't matter in the first place?
Cut that out.
Good. Go a little bit tighter.
Straight like that. The whole brand grey surround them.
You reckon?
Okay. Yeah, I reckon grey looks. Yeah. Looks good with diamonds, but
Yeah.
I feel like the grey one.
Stand out too much.
Then you DRL. Listen, I'm keen, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know the timing of it. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks better. Yeah. Now this particular model does have built-in daylight running lights, but just check your local laws to make sure that if you do decide to connect them, that you fit them in the correct place. In this case, we chose not to connect them as it was pretty much impossible for us to get them in the right legal location. However, that wasn't an issue with the lights themselves. It was more of an issue of the design of the vehicle and the design of the bull bar. Right, so that's job done. It was all pretty easy because we didn't have to do any wiring basically, so just spliced in the Deutsch plugs that was done. The only issue we came across was just if you're changing over these surrounds, which we did to the grey, just be super careful with these little screws because they actually break. I was more worried about the aluminium being stripped, but actually the screws are quite weak, which is probably a good thing because at least it's only the screw that's breaking, not the actual thread inside. But just be super careful because we did break two of those. May have something to do with me using power tools, but yeah, just be careful with that. Anyway, we're going to have a quick beverage and then take it out for a bit of a test drive. What do you reckon, Prince Dog?
Mate, let's do it. I can't talk anyway.
he's got the Rona on there.
Yeah.
Not before he got it 2 now.
Spicy cough.
Yeah. So.
Spotty's on.
Return daytime.
It's literally like daytime, isn't it?
Okay, so we're just out at our little testing range for these lights. Prince Dog's on his way. He's had the lights for a few days now, and he reckons they're absolutely awesome. So he's going to come out and he's going to show us what they're like. Give him a test fire, same place as before. So with his old lights, though, he was just able to see those trees back there. I haven't got my spotties on, but believe me, there is a set of trees back there. But yeah. Should be pretty good. I think here he comes now, so I wonder if he's going to give me a flash. I reckon he will. Alright, so last time we could just see the trees.
What do you want? Spotty's on?
Send it. That's heaps better, eh? Yeah.
I can actually see the
So that's, not sure how many lumens is, but what was it, 1 lux at 2.1 Ks. That's a lot of light.
No one can see 2.1 K. I certainly can't.
You can see it tomorrow with these.
Turn them off.
Yeah.
That's the high beams. That's so low beam, high beam. Lights.
Yeah, it's chalk and cheese, eh?
Massively different.
Go on.
like and subscribe.
Thank you. Okay, they're the 9-inch Osram LED Lightfox lights from VicOffroad. There's a link to them in the description down below. Looks like they're a really good product for the price, so I'll leave the retail price just down there. I think they've got another 10% sale off at the moment, so it's a good time to jump on there and get a quick discount. Okay, if you like the video, do me a favour, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one.